All right, guys, Tadasana or mountain pose. This is a foundational pose, standing pose. We'll come back to it for all the other standing poses. So we're gonna bring our big toes together with our heels just slightly apart, 1 or 2 inches. We wanna firm down through the feet. You can lift your toes up. And we'll also lift up through the kneecaps, firming up these quads. Yeah? With our hips, we want to keep them neutral, so not leaning forward or tilt backwards. We're going to kind of bring our hips neutral. Imagine it's a bowl. You don't want the water to spill out either way. Yeah? So again, firming through the feet, lifting up through the knees, neutralizing the hips. We'll contract the abs, firming through the core. Bring our shoulders back and down. Allow our hands to fall by our sides, our fingers expanding outwards. We're going to keep our chins parallel to the ground and lift up through the crown of the head. This is Tadasana, mountain pose. One main modification you can do, you don't have to bring your toes together to touch. So you can keep them about hips width apart. Do everything the same way. Ground down through the feet, lift up through the kneecaps, bring your hips even. Contract the abdomen, bring your shoulders back and down the spine. Chin parallel to the ground, lifting up through the crown. Breathe in. Breathe out. Tadasana, mountain pose.